Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So on today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 different areas for cleaning. The first one is residential. The pros and cons, a couple of pros and cons. The next is commercial cleaning. And the last is government. Now, I've had the fortune of doing all 3, and I'm going to give you my opinions on all 3. Ready? Here we go. So the first one, residential, the pros, very easy to get into. You can start with very little startup cost. A lot of residential is right there in your neighborhood, so you can get started immediately. It's easy to find a mailing list. You can give out flyers, cards, very, very easy access. The cons is the fact that you're not needed necessarily, and they can cut your services at any given moment. You don't know what you're running into when you walk into someone's personal home. And the second thing is there's usually no contracts involved, so there's no security. Now let's look at commercial cleaning. The pros to commercial cleaning is normally there's a contract. It could be anywhere from 30 days to a year. The next thing I love about commercial contracts, you can find others to help you to actually do the work, so you can have employees. The third thing you can do is you can actually feel comfortable with going in as far as safety. You kind of know what you're running into because of OSHA. The building can only be, it cannot be below a certain standard when it comes to cleanliness and safety. The cons when it comes to commercial cleaning is it can be hard to find a contract because there's so much competition. So you really have to know how to market your business. There's more marketing involved, and it can really, the up cost can be a bit much if you don't know how to handle it and market it. The third type is government cleaning contracts. So the pros with government cleaning contracts, they're longer term. It can be anywhere from 5 to 20 years. You can definitely scale your business when it comes to government cleaning contracts, and you may feel more secure. The cons with government cleaning contracts is you can feel like you don't know where to get started. A lot of the times it makes you feel like you need references and past performances, and the up cost can be a bit much. You have to wait a while before you get paid, like the 30 days. Just like with commercial cleaning, you may have to wait 30 days. And with residential, you may most times get paid right on the spot. So those are the 3 different types of cleaning that your cleaning business can actually service. So think about which one's a better fit for you. And if you want to learn more about the pros and cons and things you can do to get started and start in scaling your government, or if you're looking at commercial, or if you're looking at residential, all 3 of those, then make sure you click the link and register for my free masterclass. It's going to be on government, how to get your first government cleaning contract. I'd love to see you there. Click to register. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.